Hello my friends. I'm going to be doing an experiment today with some paint I had in the garage. Glidden door and trim. I think it's kind of an enamel paint, so see if we can get some effects using that. I took it straight out of the can and just thinned it with a bit of water to consistency. And then I'm using a color palette from an old video I did, video number 50, and I thought it was so pretty. But I had to mix some of the colors. I didn't have them anymore, what I used in that one. But take a look at that video if you can. It was early on in my YouTube career and didn't get many views, and I think it's worthwhile. Although I had milk paint at that time. Got some great effects. This was a mix of primary blue and Azo red deep to come up with a nice red violet. Cad Yellow Light Hue. This was a mix of vermilion and an orange. I used up some paint, and this is Rose Madder. So I'm going to load up the cups, and I'm just going to pour all in one place, but I'm going to fill up 2 cups because I have more paint here and I'm going to be using a fairly large canvas. So I'm going to kind of sandwich, I think, no, I don't know that I'll sandwich. I was going to say sandwich the colors in there, but I think that's what I did on that video number 50. But I'm going to do layers here. Oh, I don't want yellow next to purple. I love purple and orange together. I figure I'll get a few shades of orange by sandwiching that yellow in between the orange and this Rose Madder. Back to the purple. Oops. I was thinking something else and I didn't mean to pour it all in there. Oh well. I have so many plans and ideas for things, and I get paralyzed. I don't do anything. I'm sure that happens to you too. You have so many things you want to do and you do nothing. It's so frustrating. I don't know how to get over that. When I'm pouring, I want to be embellishing. When I'm embellishing, I want to be pouring. Or I want to be oil painting or something else. Oh. Okay, then I guess I will sandwich them between this white. Okay, I am pouring over a really awful pour. I didn't want you to even see it for too long, so I'll bring it out now. But because I'm just experimenting, I don't care so much about the the surface. So let me quickly cover this up. And here we go. Or should I do 2 petals? No, I'm going to stick with my original plan and just do right in the center here. Oh, I like that orange with the rose madder too. And here comes the purple. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, oh, that's kind of pretty. Now I'm regretting that I didn't do 2 because I kind of hate to disturb that. It's pretty. Huh. Because my thinking was to pour right in there. I mean, not that I couldn't. I might get just the same thing because I fill that cup the same, but I think I don't want to do that. I seem to have more room here. Okay, it's kind of pretty. I'm going to hit it with the torch. Oops. Certainly getting the cloudy effect with that paint. It's nice. I'll put the mix, I just mixed Floetrol with the colors, and I did that 4 to 1. No big secret there, and I did add a half a teaspoon of water to each of the colors. It was still a little thick yet. Okay, let's move it around. I like all 3 of them. I'm not sure which to try to preserve. I like this area very much. Okay, let's just move it. I don't remember what this was, what medium I used, but I don't normally like to pour over unless I'm pouring over the same medium because you know, it tends to crack and do weird things. So I usually, I know I don't like a pour, I hose it off. But I thought maybe I would embellish that one, but I never did, and I wanted to try this on a largish canvas, so that's why I poured over it. So we'll hope for the best. That was when I could use a corner catcher. Although I prefer the way it looks when it just falls over the edge. Oops, I'm out of the... Whoops, 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 whoops. Well, it's not looking anything like that, my video number 50, but I like it. Interesting. I don't especially like this big, strong V. Unless I turn it this other orientation, like I'll turn it towards you. I don't mind it in this orientation. I just didn't care for it from where I was looking. I hit it with the torch one more time. It's kind of weird. It turned odd color. Well, I think I like it. I do like the effects I got. This has to be the Glidden that did that. I kind of expect it might change up some more while it sits. Okay. Well, there you go. I'll stop the video and I will come back and show you some more if it develops any further in the next 10 minutes or so. Otherwise, thanks for watching. See you next time. Well, I'm back, and as is often the case, I messed with it some more. I wasn't thrilled with it, so I took some Rain-X and spritzed it, and I kind of liked that, but I wasn't happy with the overall composition, so I tilted some more until suddenly I saw this beginnings of a phoenix bird here. Just this one section there makes me think of it in the wing and long tail, so I'm going to let it dry and embellish it with some brushwork, and I think it could be quite a striking piece when it's completed. So there you have it. Okay, my friends, thank you again. Bye now.